I'm Girinaj. So today's we have a session for the inventory and order management related. Especially this is not a training. This is a completely for the discussion and as well as for the business scenario, a flow of configurations. So what is the purpose of that configurations to the business? Okay. So this is for the real time training. Already a few people already know about how my training will be there. Okay. So I really thanks to all for joining for this training. So you are be able to hear me, right?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Yes, we can hear you.
Thank you. Thank you. So currently we are going to running with the inventory and procurement batch, but today we started with the batch for the inventory and order management related. So I have a total 7 years of experience in the Oracle Fusion supply chain modules, in the modules of inventory, procurement, order management, product management, and costing. So also working for the multiple companies like Infosys, PwC, and Tech Mahindra. Okay, and coming to these today's sessions. Okay, we are started with inventory and procurement because in the market we have a very good scope for the inventory and order management. Most of the people they're good at for the procurement. Okay, but inventory and order management combination, we have a lot of scope in the market right now. If you are good at for the inventory, then you will get for the multiple roles in different companies. Like we have a for the inventory related, we have a supply chain planning orchestrations related things are there. So we have a inventory transactions. There is a lot of inventory transactions are there. If you take any warehouse, there is an inventory transaction or warehouse transactions are there. There must be implemented some ERP, right? So right now in the market, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management is heavy and highly demanded ERP. Okay, if you take any survey right now, it's highly demanded ERP. Even coming to the 2025 onwards, there is a lot of scope in the Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management. Okay, even the companies also expected at least 1 or 2 modules experts who have a good hands-on experiences for this, either for inventory or for procurement or order management, product management, and costing. These all are the combination of supply chain management modules, right? So for that, we keep that in the mind and we are started with real-time business scenario. So we are explaining what is the purpose of business use cases of this. So if you take the inventory, so inventory level, so how the configurations will be coming into the pictures. What type of configurations are required to establishing the inventory? Okay, by establishing the inventory, what type of transactions are coming into the pictures and what is the business purpose first of all? Why the business is using for this? Right. So we are explain each and every topic with business scenario and current expected. The interviewer is expected some business use cases. So we explained with a real-time implementation experiences here. It is not only for the training, it's a real-time business scenario training and configuration. So it makes you can understanding very easily. Why? Because so first you need to know what setup is required to before going to make any transaction. What setup is required, right? So we'll discuss each and everything for this training. So after this, I will be giving the time to for your queries. So if you have any queries, you can ask me. Okay. And eligibility of training is minimum degree. Okay. So degree with 5 years of experience. 5 years of experience. There is a lot of scope in the market. So up to 3 years. Okay, if you have a like a degree is completed last 3 years or 2 years, we have a scopes, we have a openings also for that. Some companies are offering for the 2 years and 3 years positions also. Okay, so and communication also very required. Why I'm emphasizing for the communication is you are the functional consultant. Here we are trying you on the functional related. There is no any coding is coming into the pictures. There is no any SQL related codings. There is no any integration related. There is no any API SOAP related. Nothing will be there here. Okay, it's a completely a functional related training. Okay, don't expect it here for the technical related things. Okay, whenever if you are joining in the companies, right? So even companies also expected from your side as a functional related configurations and testing and validations only. There is no expectation from your side as a technical related performances. Okay, that's one of the advantages for this Oracle. Okay, and one more thing is there is no much complicated terminology on the Oracle Fusion application. It's a familiar terminology. We can use that terminology with common businesses life, right? So there is no much difficulty on this. Okay, I think most of the people who are joining for this, they already know about what is the supply chain management, what is the ERP. So I don't want to touch all those things because in the demo level, most of the people are explaining what is ERP and what is Oracle supply chain management. They explained everything. Okay, I don't want to go with that demo. Okay, this is a completely who was already know about what is ERP, what is Oracle supply chain management. So what type of activities are performing into the Oracle application level, who already know at least the basic things, they are very suitable for this training. Okay, or if anybody is already working in the software industry, they know the terminologies, they know the functionality of the applications. So that can also suitable for this training. Okay, if you don't know nothing about the ERP and Oracle supply chain management, there is a lot of videos into the market and YouTube or documentaries. So please go through this. You can understanding it. Okay, then coming into this training, I will be giving the better support to you if you don't understanding anything regarding. Okay, and the duration of this training is 30 days. Okay, we are not going to conducting any sessions on Saturday and Sunday. So we are following with as software standards only here. Okay, we feel that we are the functional consultant. Whenever we want to be taking any training, we feel that, right? So Saturday and Sunday, we don't have that. And so maybe 5 days, like 30 or 35 days, the sessions will be completed. Here we are provided server. Okay. We can provide practicing server. Okay. So we can provide recording videos. Okay. Recording videos after the sessions. Every day we are recorded that, and we also provided for documents. So whatever the documents are coming into the implementation level. So we can also discuss with that. So here it is not only for the configuration, we can discuss about implementation and support level, how the work is there and where the issues are coming, how you need to investigate on that. So the language is very simple here. I'm not using any posh language here. The language is also very simple. Okay, if you are not understanding for my language, I will be repeated on the training also. Okay, that's what. And the timings of this course is, before going to the course and module details, the timings of this is, so please follow this. The timings is morning 8 to 8 a.m. to 9:15 or 9:30. Who are suitable for this timings, so please join this. Or else if you are not available for this, then we are providing the recorded videos. Okay, once the session is completed, we will provide the recorded videos. Whenever you have a time to or chance to go through that, you can go through and you can ask any questions from the group itself. Not an issue. Okay, this is what we are supporting you, and we will discuss here not only for the training, we'll discuss with regarding of the interview perspective, how you need to answer those things. And we can also giving the business scenarios. We can also providing for the what are the documents which is coming into the implementations and how you need to work on the documentations. Okay, so in this support, if you are joining any support project, what type of issues are coming into the inventory level or order management level, that also we can discuss over in the training itself. Okay, so in the training, so most of the training centers, they're just giving the training of configuration, but here we are not providing such type of things. Yeah, something due to the medical engineering leaving session. Okay. Okay, so this is what we are giving the assurance from my session. So coming to this inventory and procurement, we are covering these topics. So who are interested for this, I will share the document also for the what are the modules, and in the modules itself, what are the topics we are going to working and we will be discussing. So from the inventory perspective, we will be discussing from the enterprise structure onwards. So from enterprise, how we can configure that. So what are the prerequisition setups for that? So how we need to configure with structure, enterprise, and business unit, inventory, and sub-inventories, locators, how we need to defining all the enterprise structures and what are the requirement things which is comes into the implementation level, that also we can discuss in the inventory perspective. So after inventory configurations, whatever the inventory setups which is coming into the pictures, we are going to train on this and we will discuss on different business scenarios. Okay, this is inventory configurations, inventory setups. First, we need to understanding inventory setups. Okay, then only we can understanding, then only we can performing the inventory transactions, right? So first we need to understanding the configurations, setups, and after that we will discuss with inventory material transactions. There is a different types of inventory material transactions in the business scenario levels. Okay, like transfer orders, internal transactions, sub-inventory transfers, or movement request. Okay, inter-out transfers. There is a lot of transactions which is coming into the picture of inventory transactions. For all the businesses are following the same, either they are using for SAP or Microsoft Dynamics or Salesforce, anything, they are following same things. But in the Oracle Fusion, how that leverage will be there, how the transactions will be happening into the application level. So in which business they are choosing various, what type of transaction they are suitable, all these things also we'll discuss. Okay, so maybe there is a two types of transactions, similar transactions are there. Okay, but in business, what is the best? As a functional consultant, you need to advise or you need to convince them which is the best as per their business suit. Okay, that also we can discuss very clearly in the inventory material transactions level. Okay, whatever the transactions are there, end-to-end transactions are there here. Okay, then coming to the inventory controls. Basically, these inventory controls are using for track the material, to track the material. Okay, so we are purchasing something, we are transferring something from the inventory. So what is the tracking of that? Where the material is there? Right, in which location the material is there? How much on-hand quantity is there for that material? So we can track complete item related transactions by using the inventory controls. There is a different types of inventory controls: serial control, lot control, revision control, locator restrictions. Those things are there. So what is the business use cases on this? Why the business can performing this inventory controls? What is the major benefits to the business? Okay, here what type of issues are coming into the pictures, that also we can discuss. Then after that, inventory replenishment plannings. So planning related things, right? As for the demand and plannings, if any item is coming into the shortage, how system can identify this item is comes into the shortage? Okay, how system is identified and triggering the planning related things, that we call it as a replenishment plannings, right? So we need to procure the material, so we can get the material from some other inventories, right? So what scenarios this replenishment will be coming into the pictures, how it is working, what are the issues are coming into the pictures at the time of implementation, or if you are working on the support project, right? That also we can discuss for the inventory related. And inventory accuracy methods. This is one of the important functionality from the warehouse side or inventory side. Okay, so we need to assessing for these items by counting, right? How much on-hand quantity is there? We are validating from the system side, and we can also counting from the physically. If there is any discrepancy as there, how we need to adjust the materials. Okay, the accuracy, how system level accuracy is going on, and we need to compare that accuracy in the physical inventory, right? So that accuracy is also coming into the pictures. These all use cases are mandatory for the business. They want to implement as per the inventory scope of their business, right? So we'll discuss each and everything, not only for the configuration, we'll discuss complete business use cases. Okay, that's for the inventory related. So this is one of the important module that we need to know about. So before going to the order management. Okay, the order management is always starts with inventory. Without inventory, it's very difficult to perform, right? So we are completely know about what is the inventory, what type of transactions are going on, everything we will know. Then we will performing the order management. Why? Because all the shipping related activities or picking related activities can be familiarized in the inventory module. So after that, we can start a order management. One of the important, highly demanded module in market. If you know the order management, if you have a 3 years of experience, I'll tell you very clearly about, you'll get a 14 to 16 lakhs. If you have a 5 to 7 years of experience, you'll get for 24 to 26 lakhs. Right? That's the confidence we need that. Okay. So that much of demand is happening for the order management. Right? So in the order management side, how the order cycle will be coming into the pictures, how the sales order will be created. Before going to the sales order, what is the configurations which is mandatory to require? See, whatever the sales order is coming, that will be picking from the inventory and shipping to customer, right? Already configurations are already configured from the inventory side. Then in the order management, we will do the sales and marketing related things, right? So how the order to cash flow is coming into the pictures, what are the steps are following in that, and so how that orchestrations process will be coming into the pictures. All this orchestration related, we will discuss it, and we will also performing one manual orchestration. If client is requested, we need our own orchestration, then we will create an orchestration process. Orchestration is nothing but to defining the steps what are the steps are following into the time of transaction, sales order, right? Even we are booking in the Amazon or Flipkart, right? First order is confirmed. Then we get some message. After that, they are picking the material in their warehouse. After picking, the shipping will be happening. After shipping, customer is received. After received, payment will be processing to the organization, right? So the steps, how it will be configured into the application level. All the steps we will discuss at the flow of order to cash. And we are also discussing for types of sales orders like ship only sales order, RMA sales orders, bill only sales orders, drop ship, back to back. There is a different types of sales orders are there as per the business, in which use cases they are using for this type of sales orders. We will discuss very clearly at the time of the sales orders types, right? And coming to these order management setups, this also we will do it the starting itself, and pricing related. In the order management, we have a major three sub-modules are there. One is for pricing administration, one is for global order promising, one is for order management. These three are the major sub-modules, right? Global order promising and pricing strategy. So we'll discuss with pricing related things very clearly, how per item price will define, and how as per the conditions, how our item price will be coming with the discounts or shipping charges, how we will be configuring all those things. Okay, see for example, one of the customer is a prime customer. In the prime customer, what is the pricing we need to be picking? How the application know about that? He is a prime customer. Okay, for this prime customer, this price list is picking from the application. How system know about that? All these things will be coming into the pricing related things, pricing configurations. We'll discuss with the discounts, we'll discuss with simple discounts, type-based, shipping, if any shipping charges are there, we'll discuss all those shipping charges also. Okay, that's about the pricing related. Coming to the global order promise. This is one of the important sub-module into the order management level. Okay, in the global order promising, see, if item is not available in the organization level, the sales order is created, but we are committed to the customer. We will be shipping this material so and so date, but the material is not there in the inventory. In such a scenario, how the application will be getting the sources for that material? How it will be triggering? See, for example, our order is booking for the Bangalore location. But Bangalore location, there is no any material for that. So immediately the system is picking from Hyderabad location. How that process will be happening into the application level? Okay, that also we can discuss over here very clearly. Okay, that's global order promising related, and shipping related, how shipping configurations as per the priority. Priority nothing but, see for example, today I got some material, my inventory level. So I need to ship this material immediately. Whenever the sales order is coming, so and so material, so and so item, I need to immediately ship that material. How that shipping parameters need to defining into the application level as per the order management process, that shipping setups are coming into the pictures. So after that, order holds. So if any customer is asking for, please hold on my sales order, so I need to confirming for the next month. Okay, how we need to put on that hold? Okay, if credit is not there for the customer, how system is automatically putting the holds? That also we'll discuss here, and the business use cases and process constraints are there, some constraints. So that means in the application level, if sales order is created, so we need to update or we need to cancel or we need to do any modifications, how we need to controlling such a things, right? So by using the constraints, we'll discuss in the order management. maximum whatever the order management level, okay, configurations and processes are coming, all the things are discussing over here. So we can also assignment rules. Okay, by using these assignment rules, we will give the conditions. Based on that conditions, the sales order will be automatically triggering. Okay, if condition is satisfied, how we will be processing that? Okay, for example, if item is my iPhone mobile, so automatically my warehouse will be the Bangalore. How we will do that? By using the process assignment rules, we will do that and we will achieve that process. So these things are about the configurations only. Configurations and condition based. There is no any coding on that. So please be mind on that. There is no any coding here. And after that, shipping and picking related. So if any sales order is coming, so how the picking process will be going on. Okay. In the warehouse level, the pick related things are coming into here. And credit check functionalities. What are the roles are required? Geopadding, nothing but if any sales order is created today, but there is no any action on that after even 1 week also. So by using the geopadding, the system is throwing the severity, but expected delivery date it after 1 week. So 1 week is already completed. How system is throwing the severity? Okay, so and so sales orders are very severe. So we need to shift this high level priority. How system know about? By using the geopadding things. And we have some business event triggers. Okay, based on that, business will be getting the messages. And we have a process constraints already discussed. And we have a dropship financial related flow. So dropship financial, this will be coming into the where in the global order promise. Okay. Global order promising level, we will discuss all those things, how the dropship financial flow will be coming into the pictures. Okay, global order promising nothing but we are promising to the customer so and so material we will ship on date. Right. Whenever we are booking in the Amazon or Flipkart, right, we are getting some shipping delivery date, expected delivery date. Right. Same way. So the order promising will be coming here. It is coming. Yeah, I think. Yeah. So maybe the copy will be coming for the double time. Okay. So these all are the 1 minute team. Manage process constraints already discussed. Yeah. These things will be coming into the order management level. So I will be sending the module copy. If anybody want to be go through for that, I'll sending this. Okay. The timing of the batch is morning 8 to 9:15. Okay. So if any chance you are not attending, if you want to be interested, okay, I'll be providing the recorded videos to the Google Drive. Okay. We need to download and we can go to the practice. Okay. The timing is very clear and the fee will be the fee of these two modules for all the servers and recorded videos and support related, all these things we are going to charge for 10K. Okay. So if you want to be, so I will be paying for one time. So we will be giving the discounts for 8K only. So if you want to go through with installment, so we will be charged for 10,000. Okay. This is what one time. If it is installment, then we are going with 5. Okay. There is no discounts on this. Only for this is only the one discount. Okay. So if you have any queries, now you can ask me. I'll be giving the clarity on this. Okay. Yeah, Prasad, you're asking something?
Yes, I want to know about advanced pricing.
Advanced pricing means in the pricing itself, it is coming. There is no any advanced pricing. Okay. Okay. There is no any
Me,
advanced pricing. The pricing configuration itself. So we will be discussing about, so what is the pricing related things? Okay, advanced
I
pricing
mean,
is nothing but they are following with some conditions. Okay, based on that conditions, the pricing will be coming into the picture. We also discussing that.
I mean, I'm asking like buy one get
Understanding.
one,
Yeah, we will discuss that.
and this about post transformation rules.
Yeah, post transformation rules. Actually, post transformation rules are not updated into the application level. Okay, that's a Groovy script. Groovy script is there. Okay, most of the times we are not following with the post transformation. We are following with product and pre transformation. Groovy script related, who have the coding related knowledge, they will understanding on that. But I will be explaining the concept. I am not doing any configuration on them.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, will you be able to provide demo instance or else how it will be?
We'll be providing only demo instance every week or 2 weeks that will be refreshed. We don't provide any client servers or anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you share this sheet?
Yeah, module sheet, I'll share it. I'll share it. Please ping me message. Okay.
Okay.
I'll be sharing the complete Word document for this module related. So we will be starting this session. Okay, for the real time session from not tomorrow. So we will start on 2nd onwards, Wednesday. Okay, 2nd onwards we will start.
Is there any documentation as well we are going to get?
Yeah, documentations I will be providing like a BR100 and FST documents. Okay, FTD documents, those things.
Yeah.
That's a dummy documents only. Don't follow with that. Okay, in your implementation, just how the structure will be there, where we need to record it, our configurations or like requirements. I'll be providing those things.
So order management side mainly what my aim is like I'm planning for this training as we need to support this module. Okay, so I think if you're covering this topic, then we need like what kind of issues we get and what solution we do provide. Okay.
Exactly. We are discussing complete. That is what complete in my demo. I'll repeat it everything. It is not only for training. It is implementation level. What type of issues are coming, and the support level. If you are working on the support project, right? So what type of issues are coming? Basically, in which area it is coming. So everything we will discuss and we will give the investigation solutions also.
Okay, great.
Yeah. So this demo will be sharing on YouTube. Okay. So the YouTube channel is SCM Technologies. If you want to be following this, we can follow it. There is a lot of videos also there on that. Different types of transactions, how we need to configure all those things. So every week or every whenever the time is permitted, we will upload it for some business use cases videos also in the SCM Technologies. So if anybody want to go for that, you can also see the videos, how my training will be there and how the discussions of things are going on. Okay. Any doubts?
Yeah, I have one doubt. You explain real-time scenarios or what? You explain only what is what?
It's a completely the training is real time. Okay,
Okay.
we don't go with direct configuration. For every configuration, what is the purpose of the business? Okay, so what is the purpose and where the business is applicable for this? And if it is a transaction, in which use case the business is following this transaction? Okay, in the interview point, they are asking, right? So what type of business use cases are coming? What type of business scenario it is coming? Okay, everything we will be explaining with the real-time business use cases only. Whatever my implementation is coming, whatever support I am giving, I'll be explaining that use cases only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you provide access also?
Yes, we will provide server. We will provide the server. We will providing for the video recordings. Okay, after the session is completed, we will provide the documents. Okay. Everything is whatever we promise, we will be giving the delivery.
Everything 10K only, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Any questions? So real-time business scenarios training, sir. It's very rare to start, but we have successfully completed. Few people are already got offers by using these techniques. Okay. Maybe that's very happy to announce over here. Even they are not getting any proxies or promptings, they will be getting the jobs also. Okay, by using these discussions. Okay. If any queries, please ping me my WhatsApp number. I already shared my WhatsApp number. One more time, I will be sharing my WhatsApp number. So the details of here. Okay. Let me share my WhatsApp number. So SCM Technologies WhatsApp number 720-7245-101. This is the WhatsApp number, and the GPay or number, Google Pay, this is 9966897535. Okay, the payment number is different and the inquiry number is different. Okay, so please note this. If anybody requires, it is not mandatory to save all these numbers. Okay, if you have any queries or requesting for the modules document, so please ping me on WhatsApp this number. Okay, I'll be sending the module document. Yeah, somebody is asking. Thank you, boss.